Hi everyone, we continue learning Russian alphabet and today we learn new letter. F. Let's write the word full T B O L. Football. Let's write Latin transcription. F U D B O L. Football. O is stressed. B voiced sound, and it shares features with the previous consonant, so previous consonant also becomes voiced. That's why we pronounce here D. T, D, T, D. T and D are paired sounds. T, D. T is voiceless. We don't use our vocal cords when we pronounce it. T, T. It's a quiet sound. And D is a voiced sound. D, D. We use our voice. It's a... Okay. Let's write Russian transcription. How we pronounce it. F U D B O L. Football. You know this word, I guess. Yes, we don't have exactly Russian word that means football. We use international word.